Hello kids, today we are going to sing a poem, Three Blind Mice. So let's start. Three blind mice, three blind mice, see how they run, see how they run. They are ran after, they are ran after the farmer's wife, the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails, who cut off their tails. With the carving knife, with the carving knife. Did you ever see such, did you ever see such a thing in your life, a thing in your life? As the blind mice, as the blind mice. Thank you.